The Bayraktar Kizilelma PT-4 has reached a critical milestone by completing its afterburner-assisted takeoff test. The announcement was made on May 24, 2025, by Baykar Chairman of the Board Selçuk Bayraktar through social media. The test, officially referred to as the Afterburner Takeoff Aerodynamic System Identification Test, was part of a broader validation process aimed at refining the aerodynamic and propulsion characteristics of the Kizilelma, which is expected to enter service with the Turkish Armed Forces by 2026. The Bayraktar Kizilelma is a significant development in the field of unmanned combat aviation and aligns with Turkey's long-term vision of an air combat environment increasingly reliant on unmanned systems. Designed and developed entirely within Turkey, this aerial platform builds on Baykar's extensive experience in tactical drones and unmanned combat aerial vehicles. It marks a transition toward more advanced combat systems that integrate automation, low observability, and enhanced mission capabilities. The Bayraktar Kizilelma represents the cutting edge of indigenous UAV and UCAV innovation. Leveraging Baykar's deep experience in unmanned aviation systems, the PT-4 prototype showcases significant technological enhancements aimed at ensuring Turkey's air power remains competitive in a future dominated by unmanned platforms. With consideration of a future where air combat will be dominated by unmanned technology, Bayraktar Kizilelma fighter UAV, being developed fully within Turkish borders, will most certainly play an increasingly important role moving ahead. The Kizilelma is an unmanned aircraft featuring a low RCS supersonic airframe equipped with an AESA radar. In terms of performance, the Kizilelma supports a payload capacity of up to 1.5 tons and has a total weight of 8.5 tons. It is capable of cruising at Mach 0.6 and reaching a maximum speed of Mach 0.9. Its combat radius extends to 500 nautical miles, with an operational altitude of 25,000 feet and a service ceiling of 45,000 feet. The drone is designed to operate for over 3 hours, allowing for extended range missions. The aircraft measures 14.5 meters in length, with a wingspan of 10 meters and a height of 3.5 meters. Its structure is optimized for stealth and agility. Equipped with a turbofan engine, it can perform autonomously throughout all flight phases, including takeoff, landing, taxiing, and cruising. These features enable effective operation in high-intensity environments. The onboard systems include an electro-optical targeting unit, an infrared search and track system, IRST, and a multi-mode AESA radar provides robust intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities. These features enable the Red Apple to execute complex missions, from precision strikes to battlefield monitoring, with minimal human intervention, setting a new benchmark for unmanned combat systems. The aircraft has coupled canard controls for increased maneuverability or better controlling the main wing airflow. Internal compartments will allow the aircraft to operate in contested environments while sustaining low observability. The drone is compatible with a variety of weapon types, including laser-guided munitions, conventional missiles, and long-range cruise missiles, allowing for operational flexibility across multiple mission types. The aircraft is designed in a way that makes it capable to take off and land on an amphibious assault ship, such as the TCG Anadolu, without any need for a catapult system. The Bayraktar Kizilelma is a game-changer for air forces worldwide. Its ability to operate autonomously or alongside manned aircraft creates a hybrid model that redefines combat dynamics. UAVs, like the Kizilelma, can undertake high-risk missions without endangering pilots, allowing human operators to focus on strategic oversight while drones handle dangerous tasks. This synergy enhances mission efficiency, reduces costs, and expands operational flexibility, making it a symbol of Turkey's forward-thinking approach to air combat. The rise of autonomous unmanned combat aerial vehicles, like the Kizilelma, challenges the dominance of traditional manned fighter jets. With over 3 hours of endurance, advanced sensors, and precision munitions, these platforms rival piloted aircraft while overcoming human limitations like fatigue. As air forces integrate such technologies, we may witness a future where unmanned systems lead, reshaping training, logistics, and strategy. The successful afterburner takeoff of the Kizilelma PT-4 represents a substantial technical advancement. It validates the drone's ability to carry out short and rapid takeoffs under high thrust, a critical requirement for deployment from limited-length runways or ski-jump-equipped aircraft carriers. This type of capability is typically associated with advanced manned fighter aircraft and indicates the operational intentions behind the Kizilelma program. For Bayraktar, this achievement marks a move from producing tactical drones to developing more complex combat systems that can compete with established international programs. For Turkey, the Kizilelma is part of a broader industrial and strategic initiative. Over the past 2 decades, the country has evolved from a drone importing nation to a major exporter. Systems like the Bayraktar TB2 and Akinci have demonstrated operational effectiveness in conflicts in Libya, Syria, Nagorno-Karabakh, and Ukraine. The development of heavier and more autonomous drones, such as the Kizilelma, reinforces this trend, placing Turkey among the few countries capable of producing high-performance unmanned combat aerial vehicles while strengthening its strategic independence in a competitive global defense landscape.